airport. Md-11. This is the kidnap. I'm guessing where you are. Who are you? I'm your partner. Your voice sounds in every video, but you sound weird. You don't sound like you in every video. Oh, that's because I got a new voice. Okay. Silent in one, but wait. I teach my mom you're not a pirate. Of course I am. I kidnapped you. Give me the head, Gary. Return me back to the airport. Like, why would I do that? Get me back to the airport. Whoa! Stop! Sorry, sucker. I'm not returning this to base. Why don't know why you return me to base? You can fit me in it. Someone help me! Oh my God! The Swiss Air just got kidnapped. Whoa! Please return me. Nah, base is almost here. Why would we take me to base? It's in Texas. In Texas? I'm so freaking far away. Whoa, that place in trouble. Get me out of here. I'm gonna put a mask on. What? With that gun. Back again. Get me the heck out of here. And be home. Let's go. No, don't take me out here. Whoa. That was the sun. Is you base in the sun? No, don't roast my base. Okay, just get me the heck out of here. Don't you dare even do a thing. I mean, we got where that Swiss Md-11 was kidnapped. Okay, that's why we are being ready for the morning. Yeah, let's get ready, boy. This is our job. Yes, to get everyone back home. Follow me. Okay. I'm going to get that Swiss Air back to the airport. Okay, I will follow you. Thank you. How are we doing back there? Good. I checked everything. It's good for takeoff. Okay. Anytime we have an Md-11 that got kidnapped, it was a Swiss Air. Okay, you are granted to go on one. Thanks. Let's go. Okay. Right behind you, partner. Okay. Looks like it's getting late. Yeah. Let's go on one way. You know that 47 airplane crash. Remember? He said, let's go on one way. That was his final words on the ground. Oh. What if it say take off? Oh, yeah, he did. LOL. What? Let's start engine. Okay. Let's go, pilot. Oh, okay, let's go on full power. Let's go. Come on, we have to go. Okay. Let's go. Get that Swiss Air back on the airport. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay. Up in the air. Everyone chill. Not that DC-10 says that. Not Md-11 fag says that. Dude, he went down. That doesn't make sense. I'm not going down, idiot. Rude. LOL. Why do you have to say that? LOL. Stop saying it. Okay. I think we're up in there too much. Yeah, it was kind of going a little bit down. We got to reach the clouds. Okay. There we go. 10 minutes. I was waiting. Man, this is a long drive. Of course. Well, on the road, this guy wants Swiss Air. I don't know. I think it's going to turn into something else. It has to be FBI. B1 only plane. No. Well, let's go and find that Md-11. Okay. Cruising altitude. Okay. Time to find that Md-11. What? Not yet. No. Let's go for a power boy. Okay, why? We're close to the Swiss Air. He's almost out of the country. Okay, go. Let's go ASAP. Go. Okay. It's getting close. We're getting close to him. Okay. Let's go. Go. We have to go. Beep. Oh. Done. 1 minute and we're going to get to the Swiss Air. Okay. 1 minute later. Just let me go away. No, you're going to be with me forever. And you're not going to be Swiss Air forever. Now, my water. Oh no, the PFP on jet. Okay, let's see what's going on. I'm screwed. Yeah, you are. You beef, don't store empty. Get ready to shoot him down. Wait, what? I don't want to be shot down. I said the criminal. Okay. Let's get ready to fire. Okay. I hate this day. Without you for kidnapping me. I'm going to the left engine of the plane. Not on my tail. No, we're not shooting you in the tail, you idiot. Oh. I've got his engine. Please don't give me an engine 1.5. We have to. It's the only way to get you back home. And plus, the criminal would turn me. Okay, I trust you. I want this criminal off of me. We called the police. We're going their way to the airport. You have to land. Okay. There's the engine. I'm getting ready to fire. Okay. Here we go.
How do you know?
Fire! Dang it, wait, why did that sound like the same battery on my tail hit on the ship? Oh no, fire on the engine! Crap! I hate this day! It's the only way to get you back to the airport. Boy, you didn't have, you could do it all way. You couldn't just go in the plane. Oh yeah, that was kind of going to be smart, but we didn't. And I had to end this fire, okay? Stay calm, okay? This wasn't that 6,000 number return me. Oh yeah, I saw her. Yeah, Kimberly, she got hit on the ship. Her ship. Go. Engine 1, fire. We got the airport, you have to go. Bet. Here we go. Let's go on one way. Let's go! 2 hours late. Beep, beep, boo. Oh, look. Here is gear down. Flaps down. We are getting to. I'm trying to kidnap you. No problem. As your punishment, you gotta like an F's anxiety. Oh, please don't.
You got that crystal point. You got a crystal point.
Damn.
Is that good? Everest. How about the...
Let's go down. There's one way.
I saw gold. That's all I cared about.
Rick. Here is the one way. That way to Grand. Ouch.
Was there any ever... Wouldn't we have found any...
Thanks for helping me. No problem.
I think Everest had...
Let's go. Boys. Okay. See ya. Swiss Air. I might say it one day again. Okay. Goodbye.
Okay, show me the...
Goodbye. Let's get to landing. Wait, I realized something. This is going to be the first safety landing for airplane incident before. We actually was not the first one to do this. Boom! I done it. Time to stop. Firefighters can't come ASAP. Thank you, firefighters. Go after that. These Md-11. Just air. But welcome.
This is an emerald. This is a good example. Do you see the formation that is made on its own? The crystallization?
That's a symbol.
That's a really good one. You could make something out of that.
Am I building them?
Well, it's all. There's just other material around it.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Okay, time to stop. Go, 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 go. Get to the plane. Okay. Thank you, firefighters. Police are coming to arrest the guy. Time to look at Everest course anxiety. No! Why am I forced? No!